Shining Adventist Secondary School Thinrait celebrated Parents' Day with Maukanrao MLA Banteidor Lyngdoh as the chief guest, joined by local leaders, parents and students. In his address, Lyngdoh emphasized the importance of morality and dignity, commending the school's excellence and its students' achievements in colleges in Shillong. He praised the school's recognition of high-performing students, which fosters pride in the community. Additionally, Lyngdoh donated 5 lakhs for classroom construction, enhancing the learning environment and supporting the school's growth. The event underscored the significance of community involvement in education and the positive impact of supportive leadership in student success.
Bang inang kentiu ya ka puli putih handrai ka bang ngakwa banong ipi ka bang iyo snow bat ngakwa bat snow ipi sa sisien yang jingkran kadai ka akor bat ka buram ka banra yang i nakawai ka por syakawai ka por pat